Okay, this is what happens when you don't get your plumbing right. You're gonna come in here and cut a bunch of holes. That's what I'm doing now, because I didn't know where the hell this was gonna be. So that's what you gotta do. And it's no fun. Alright, gotta tighten the chuck. Anyway, get the idea. That's it for now. More plumbing failures coming soon.
Yep.
Alright, we just filled in the concrete hole that was here. Okay, Captain Craig did some trawling. I had to fix my little blunder here. Cut that out. We redid the pipes. We had the tub sitting in here. Everything is just perfect now. We even got the wash sink out here in the shop going in. The water line starting to be run. There's progress being made. One step in a hole. One step in a hole. So yeah, things are looking good. Again, I don't know what day it is. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Tuesday, let me see the clock. 10 after 2. So we're rolling along. That's the tub that's going in over there. That's the round. We had it all in. We took it all out. Got another wall up. These beams are going to be sitting in these pockets. All the way across, because we haven't got those walls yet. So anyway, that's a quick Tuesday afternoon update. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, today is August 31st, Friday. I'm going to give you a quick weekend wrap-up update. I've got all the stuff out of my storage units, both of them. As you can see, there's just, I got stuff everywhere. It's quite a mess, but at least it's all here in my building. And I gotta thank Matt for helping me. Southernmost Homesteader. I would have been doing this for the next week if he didn't help me, so thanks, Matt. I'm telling you, I got stuff for days here. Built a couple of shelves up in the ceiling, as you can see. There's building materials everywhere. I'll give you a quick rundown to what's been going on inside. As you can see, there's no electronics put up, no solar installed yet. I do have my table saw here. The sink has been installed. So I now have a sink out here, which is super nice. I can wash up, and the toilet's working, and obviously the water tote, more insulation. I got stuff everywhere, power washer, engine cranes. That's the backsplash for the tub. We got the front wall in. We got the beam going across, heading over to the kitchen area. We're sandwiching that all together, piece by piece. That's the bathroom. Something just came on all by itself. I don't know what the hell that is. But anyway, this would be the front wall. We've got this figured out where it covers those pipes. I think that's the radio just came to life all by itself. That's my outdoor spotlight that I hooked up so I have some light in here. This would be my bedroom area. And that's about it. That's what's happened so far. So that's it for an update from the Tennessee Off-Grid project. I've got all my stuff out of the storage units. I ended up going with some T111. I'm going to try that in the bathroom. See how that works. And there you have it. Leave you with a little parting shot of the backyard. Been seeing tons of deer out here lately. So that's it, August 31st. Everybody have a good Labor Day weekend. I think tomorrow I'm going to decompress and take a day off. I've been working like 7 days a week, non-stop, sun up to sundown. I'm whooped. Okay, that's it. Over and out.